No, we have not yet. The only thing that we've noticed is a few northbound cars. We believe you can get on I-25 in the Castle Pines area, but I'll tell you what, trying to go southbound, you cannot go past Ridgegate Parkway here this morning. That's where we are, right near the Cabela's. It is closed all the way through Castle Rock, through Monument, to Woodman Road in Colorado Springs, and we're told it will likely be closed until noon. Officials were set to meet right now to get an idea of how they're going to get more than 500 abandoned cars off the interstate. Douglas County school bus drivers volunteered to go out in yesterday's conditions to rescue those people who were stranded. We're told they went all the way down to Monument, bringing drivers to shelters overnight. Our Deb Takahara talked with the transportation manager for Douglas County, explaining the teamwork between the district and CDOT to help these stranded drivers.
We're going to turn around and go back out again, but our drivers are more than willing to support the effort with CDOT, so we can go out there and help get these people off the road.
And obviously the Colorado National Guard also helping. But really, with this closure of I-25, which has been going on for hours now at this point, there's really no alternative. I know Hank's been talking about maybe 285 to 24 if you're feeling extremely adventurous. But with Highway 83 and Highway 105 also still closed, there really is no way to get down to the Springs. As for weather conditions out here this morning, of course, with the Pinpoint Weather Beast, I'm clocking in wind gusts over 25, 30 miles per hour this morning, straight out of the north. We don't have any snow falling. That's the good news. But as Greg's been talking about, you'll likely see those ground blizzard-like conditions with blowing and drifting snow as you head out the door. Reporting live here in Lone Tree, meteorologist Christine Rapp, Fox 31.
Ground blizzard where the snow's not falling, but it's blowing so much that it kind of almost feels like it's falling. And we are seeing that out in the Eastern Plains. Thank you, Christine.
6:03 right now. Let's get over to meteorologist Greg.